Welcome to the world of online interior design consultancy, where we transform spaces using the magic of 3D modeling. Imagine seeing your redesigned room before even a single piece of furniture moves. Our journey begins with a deep dive into knowledge, thanks to the book Starting an Interior Design Business. It's our Bible for navigating through marketing, finance, and legal setups. We don't just design, we build a solid foundation first. Next, we harness the power of 3D modeling, a game changer in visualizing interior spaces. 3D modeling and animation, a guide for interior designers, provides us the tools to bring your space to life, making every angle perfect before implementation. Every design reflects a story. With insights from the Interior Design Handbook, we focus on the nuances of color, lighting, and materials. These elements are crucial in creating spaces that are not only beautiful but functional. Keeping abreast with trends is key. Through Interior Design Trends 2023, we stay updated on the latest in design styles and materials. This ensures your space is not only modern, but also resonates with current aesthetics. Education never stops. Our designers regularly update their skills through courses like 3D Modeling for Interior Design on Skillshare. It's essential for mastering the art of realistic and detailed visual presentations. Marketing our unique designs is as important as creating them. We implement strategies from marketing for interior designers to showcase our work, connect with the right audience, and grow our online presence effectively. Finally, every successful project culminates with feedback and learning. We engage with platforms like House and Behance, not just to inspire others, but to continually evolve through community interaction and client feedback.